Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about one of the common scams that are happening in 2020, and it's somebody that actually asked me to talk about this. So that person received a email claiming that she had won one of 10 Walmart $500 gift cards. And of course, the first thing that she noticed is she didn't participate in anything, so she's wondering what it's all about. And she actually clicked and looked, and it asked for a lot of personal information. So what's this? Well, this is a scam. A lot of people receive these scams by email. So what you get is an email that claims that you are the winner of one of a certain number of gift cards of a certain value. Or they will tell you that you've been specially selected and that all you have to do is click. And of course, it's there. It's what we call a clickbait. It's there to actually scoop up as much information about you as possible. And of course, you'll never get a gift card in return. So some of them are sometimes deceiving. Some of them are and could be from time to time, yeah, you want a gift card, but when you actually go through it, you actually don't have a gift card. What you have is a possibility of winning a gift card. So this is the scam that's going on right now. If you receive emails or if you have a pop-up of any website that claims you're the winner of a gift card of any kind, well, don't believe it, because you're not. It's one of the big scams still going on. It's been going on for a while, but it's still going on in 2020. And, this is the kind of thing that you should alert friends and family, especially those that, are not very tech savvy, that don't know much, and that will believe or are possibly going to believe anything that they'll see on the internet. So by sharing this information, well, you know what? You're not just protecting yourself, you're protecting your friends, your family, and we're protecting others from these scams. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching our videos.